Namo Phat. Thanks so much for joining me for a daily practice check-in. Listen, listen, listen. This wonderful sound calls us back to our true home. The third mindfulness training. Aware of the suffering caused by sexual misconduct, I vow to cultivate responsibility and learn ways to protect the safety and integrity of individuals, couples, families, and society. I'm determined not to engage in sexual relations without love and a long-term commitment. To preserve the happiness of myself and others, I'm determined to respect my commitments and the commitments of others. I will do everything in my power to protect children from sexual abuse and to prevent couples and families from being broken by sexual misconduct. For our Dharma lessons, we're now reading Taming the Monkey Mind, a guide to Pure Land practice by Buddhist scholar Cheng Wei-an and Dharma Master Suddhisukha. Today we're reading Reflection 28, Self-Nature Recitation, Self-Nature Listening. The mind begins to think, which moves the tongue. The tongue in turn moves, producing sound, and that sound returns to the self-mind. This is a method of mind reciting, mind listening. If the mind recites and listens, the eyes cannot see wrongly, the nose cannot smell wrongly, the body cannot move wrongly, because the master, the mind, has been kidnapped by the words Amitabha Buddha. Commentary. To recite the Buddha's name is to recite the Buddha of the self-mind. The ears hearing the Buddha's name actually hear the self-mind. The sound comes from the self-mind and returns to the self-mind, turning around and around in a circle. Not even a bit of deluded thought remains, and as a result, all mundane dust, all deluded realms disappear. Recite the Buddha's name, recite the mind. The mind recites the Buddha. Meditate. Meditate on the self-nature. The self-nature meditates. May all beings be well. May all beings be happy. May all beings be at peace. Namo Phat. Thanks so much for joining me today.